Gates open, they're up and racing. Divine Wisdom draws for your lead. Crystal's Pride moving up now to take the lead, and followed by Sir Ferdinand in third. Sulong Pinoy is racing in fourth, and Dear John is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 900. Crystal's Pride this time by about 2 lengths. Sir Ferdinand in second. Divine Wisdom. Sulong Pinoy is running second last, and Dear John is still in behind them as they race towards the last 600. Crystal's Pride, Sir Ferdinand moving up by the rail. Sulong Pinoy moving up on the outside. We have Crystal's Pride. Sulong Pinoy now takes command from the outside. Sir Ferdinand is by the rail. Divine Wisdom. Dear John is getting closer in peep as they turn for home. Sulong Pinoy this time by about a half length. Running by the rail, Sir Ferdinand. Crystal's Pride. Dear John moving up on the outside. And with 100 to go, the outstanding favorite, Sulong Pinoy, winning race number 3 over Sir Ferdinand. Close between Dear John, Crystal's Pride, and Divine Wisdom comes in last.
1-4.